Yeah, hi guys. Welcome to your channel. This is Starseed for Love. I'm Vinoth, and welcome to all of you. I'm just sad. I'm sitting outside today, and just like it's cold, though it's like become autumn. I mean, anyways, winter. So, but then this is my favorite place to sit actually. So I'm just like a little bit. I'm feeling very tired for the past 2-3 days because of the change in the. I mean, there are like some changes which are going on, and this transformation journey is like quite a thing to go through sometimes. So it just takes up all your energy, and just kind of can't keep doing the things you want to do every day. And I've hardly been able to sit in a place, and I've just kind of been sleeping all the time, and I'm just not sure what to do exactly, and I'm like slowly made my mind, and just came outside today. And it's nice actually. I do my grounding every single day almost, but basically I just remove my shoes. And I'm just sitting down there, and no, sorry, I didn't. I'm sitting down there, and I just. So this is called grounding actually. So yeah, and it just removes all your negativity, anything in your body, and all that goes down to the earth, and then you get fresh energy. If you feel like you can get draw out of that from the earth, you draw out energy, and just feels calming, soothing, and pleasant. And also the wind, everything is fresh, and it's like soothing for you. And you can meet your ancestors. All these, see, if you see the birds, they come around, the crow, I don't know whether you see them, they all just come around. So that is an indication that they are basically showing you that they are around. And I mean, it is up to each one's belief, and I believe in all these things because it's once you observe that, you can always see the difference, how they come and talk to you. So it's up to each one whether you believe it or not. Um, so I do believe that they come through to us like in different animals or anything. So yeah, it's fascinating. Again, so this whole journey is about, still goes on, and but the beauty is to help others, whoever wants is to follow this path. I'm just trying to give some guidance, and help them. Help them if they're finding it difficult, to motivate them to keep going. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong in going through that path, and you'll always. It's a little tough journey that you sometimes have to go through, because you just need to get out of all the unwanted things that is there accumulated over the years, because based on how your family, your culture, it all depends on that, how much you're programmed, and to whether you have a easier journey in your spiritual path, because you have to unlearn all those unwanted things, and come back to the original person you were meant to be. So it depends how much of garbage is there down there to clean. So that's what's happening with me, and it's like I think I've had lots and lots of garbage down there. Now all over my subconscious mind I'm talking about. Subconscious programming is the one which dictates our life like anything. So that's what is happening. That's what I'm trying to get over, and these are the days which one by one, all the things, all your it automatically is stripped out of you. So yeah, so like trying my best to keep up with all that, and and that's why I'm just coming out today for a change, taking this video outside, so that it's not the same place I'm sitting every single day. And yeah, so yeah, it's quite nice. Yeah, specifically today I just wanted to discuss about what are we supposed to do. It's the basic thing. What you want to do is, I think we have to look at what is. We are all like basically. I have to start from a point where we are all energy beings, like energy bodies. We are made out of energy, right? So though we see this flesh and the blood and all these things, but still, if you can consider yourself the minute, tiniest molecules of atoms. We are made up of atoms, and each cell contains an atom and things like that, right? So end of the day, it all depends on how much. So at what they vibrate, all of them vibrate, and how that causes motion, like movement within your body. See there. That's what I said. They just keep coming to it. So yeah, I was talking about. Yes. I let. Is this a white crow or something? I don't know. Very nice thing. Yeah, I wanted to show you. Okay, I'll go that side. I'll show you. Yeah, so we are all made up of energy, and what happens is like the key thing is so I just wanted to show the beautiful city. There were the four or two. Do you see them? Where are they? I don't know. Yeah, this is a very beautiful park actually. I just forgot what I was supposed to speak today, but yeah, it's nice to see. I hope all of you get. So this is the one. This is a very most favorite place of mine, just forget about everything. You just come, just check them and see. It just makes you forget about all the worries, tension, whatever you have. I just forgot about everything, about what's going on. Just live in this. That's what they call live in the present moment. So yes, I think let this video be a good one for all of you to just enjoy the nature, whatever is. It's a very nice place to be in. All so I hope you enjoyed this video. Just I took it in a way. talk something about the spiritual awakening, but then it looks like it's more let me enjoy the nature and then go home and then record it properly. Yeah. Okay guys, see you in the next video.